Camera rolling.
Peacock cooing.
She becoming.
She becoming.
Yeah.
Take one. In rains, our motorcycles tend to get a lot more dirtier, and when you combine water with some of the dirt particles, it may cause problems to some of the electrical or mechanical components. To prepare the motorcycle for monsoon, our goal is to keep dirt and moisture away from crucial components of the motorcycle. To achieve this, we need to wash it thoroughly. Hence, the first step will be to clean the chain with your preferred cleaner, as dirty and muddy chain leads to excessive chain noise and reduces smoothness of the ride. Clean important moving components like forks, rear shock, and brake disc. Use motorcycle shampoo for the exterior, as we will be polishing it later. Once you are done washing the motorcycle, use compressed air to get water out of chain and electrical switches. As your motorcycle is squeaky clean now, it's time to carry out periodic maintenance. This includes cleaning or replacement of air filter, checking leakage in fork seals, checking the battery health, adjusting chain slack, checking and replacing the brake pads, engine oil, etc. Click the top right corner for detailed explanation about the last two topics, and the other topics mentioned will be covered soon in upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. After the periodic maintenance, it's time to monsoon proof your motorcycle. Use a brake cleaner spray after washing the motorcycle. It will help get rid of any kind of dirt particles which couldn't be removed during the pressure wash. By doing this, you'll have a consistent braking feel, which is critical especially in the monsoon season. Chain is an important component of the motorcycle, so you need to lubricate it using your preferred chain lube. You'll have to repeat this process a couple of times, especially during monsoon, as it tends to get dirtier very fast. If there is moisture in the electrical circuit, it may lead to malfunctioning of some electrical components like lights, horn, and ignition. To prevent this, use grease or battery terminal spray over the battery terminal and electrical component spray over the switches. This will help prevent corrosion due to moisture. Riding in rains means riding on surfaces with less traction, and we all have experienced those minor slides while braking, accelerating, or turning in. To minimize these slides, the tires have to be in a good condition. Check tire wear on the grooves of the tires. If the tires are worn out or show signs of uneven wear or cracks, replace the tires before going out and riding in the rains. Some riders may keep the tire pressure lower than the recommended pressure for better contact patch and better grip in turn, but this may lead to hydroplaning or aquaplaning in the monsoon season, especially over the puddles. So we recommend keeping your tires at the recommended tire pressure for optimum grip. Dirt and mud splashed on your motorcycle while riding is difficult to clean. It may scratch the paint if you try to wipe it with a dry cloth. So use your favorite wax and polish the bike thoroughly, even the wheels. This will help repel the water and dirt and make it easier to clean the motorcycle, especially after a wet and muddy ride. If you park your bike in the open or under the tree, it may get dirty due to the rain and water may seep into the electrical switches. In such cases, we recommend using a bike cover. So those were some of the things that we do to our motorcycles to help them overcome the harsh weather conditions that we suffer here in India, on top of the dire road quality. So like the video if you like it, dislike the video if you did not like it, and if you have any other tricks up your sleeve to prepare your bike for the monsoon season, let us know in the comments below. This is me signing off. Thank you. This more.
ते मोरला हाकलता येईल का तुला? बसलं तर काही केलं नाही.